Hey guys, I don't know about you, but for me, there is no better feeling than coming home to a package. Now, I don't know what's in this package, but hopefully it is my other pair of foam runners. Let's go ahead, open it up, and see what is in here. It wasn't the foam runners. Greetings, everyone. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning in to the channel. Shout out to all of the new subscribers. Thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. You didn't have to, but you did. And special shout out to Claude. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing. Now, I want to jump right into this because you probably know my disappointment because I didn't receive my foams in the sand colorway yet. But we did get another exciting Yeezy release. This pair was actually pretty overshadowed during its release on March 25th because of the other sneakers that were coming out that weekend. And of course, I'm talking about the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. So this is definitely one of my favorite new Yeezy silhouettes. I think they took an iconic dad shoe in the 700 and really turned it into a futuristic looking sneaker. There we go. Now, kyanite is the name of a blue mineral. A lot of people have been leaning into this bit that the kyanites look exactly like the Azael. I mean, I guess they look the same in the fact that they're the same silhouette, but obviously what you're seeing right now, the kyanites, are very different from what you have in the Azael, which is a really loud royal blue sneaker. These are two very different sneakers. I actually think that the kyanites are one of the best Yeezy 700 V3s so far, but let's go over the features first and see what makes this different. So starting off with the side panels for the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite, you have this creamy, milky white TPU cage, kind of looking like a skeleton covering the sides of the sneaker. And of course, the sneaker does glow in the dark, so after some time in the sun, you will see a little bit of that light emitting off of these shoes. But right underneath that is a layer of mesh with interwoven knit, and that knit is coming across the side in a really toned down blue color that extends into like a dark green towards the end. You can see that dark green towards the tip of the sneaker and all the way back at the heel. Right underneath that TPU cage, you can see another layer of mesh. This is a little bit more free. You can actually see right through there. That section is just really to let your foot breathe a little bit, and you might actually need that because right here in the middle you have this black interior booty. This serves as a big source of support for your foot when it's in the shoe, but it can be a little bit tight. It can cause this shoe to be a little tighter than what you would expect for that size. So I always recommend with the Yeezy 700 V3, go up at least half a size. If you have a wider foot, you may want to even go up a full size in this shoe. This is the same construction that was on the OG pair. OG! The Azaels that were released in 2019. I've been wearing those ever since those released, and literally putting my foot in is so easy. One thing that's different from that OG pair is the lacing system. Kanye has swapped out your traditional tying of laces for the infinity lacing system. You can just pull this string and it tightens around your foot. But if you did want to stick to your roots and go back to those traditional laces, the shoe does come with an extra pair of traditional laces to swap into the shoe. The only thing is you have to cut this infinity lace loop, ultimately destroying this pair of laces, and then you would be able to insert those traditional laces. Now, something that really stands out on the 700 V3 is this milky EVA midsole. Of course, this shoe does not come with boost, and thus the price point is just $200. It's odd to say just $200, but of course it would be more if they had boost in this sneaker. So I think the EVA midsole in this shoe is perfectly fine, but I do think this shoe gets a bad rap because it doesn't have boost, but trust me, it's not that bad. And also at the back of that midsole is really your only Adidas branding on the outside of the shoe. You just have that classic Adidas logo at the back. Something pretty iconic that is on all of the Yeezy 700 line shoes is this fang right there in the toe box. Flipping the sneaker over, you have this gum outsole with blue hints from that foam inside. Pretty basic insole, it's just black. Has your triple branding of Adidas, Yeezy, and Ortholite, colorful opposite side. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm finally gonna stop talking and put these on foot so that we can see what it looks like to wear the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite.
Somehow I cannot explain it. When love surrounded me, I know I made it. I know the internet's dangerous. Try to remind myself, keep peace of mind. I'm on my business, ain't no use saying I'm in it. Baby, that's just how I'm living. I'll pass on the function. I'ma be home watching nothing. If you want further discussion, catch me on my house phones now, Mel, hell yeah. Catch me on my house phones now, Mel, hell yeah.
I think this is a really dope sneaker, a really cool colorway. It's subtle, but it's cool. I would actually rank these over the Azaels, and I know some people probably think I'm crazy for that, but I just think that that pop of color is a little more appealing. The Azaels are great. I think with Yeezy shoes, it's always great to see that OG colorway because it's usually bland. It's usually like a blank slate. But I do think this Kyanite colorway is the hardest one that has come out so far. I'd love to know if we're gonna see a red Yeezy 700 V3 at some point. That could be another one that really gets a lot of people's attention, like the Azael and the Azael. Alright, thank you guys as always for tuning in and watching the videos. You are much appreciated. Your parents are much appreciated. Your pets are much appreciated. If you're new to the channel and you didn't completely hate this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Remember to leave a like. And if you made it to this point in the video, comment your favorite sneaker pickup of the year so far. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.